Hi, baby. Elizabeth wants to play.
But she's sick.
She can't see, so it's a little harder for her to play. She has to go by sound.
Like, you didn't tell me.
Yeah, the one with the red collar, and the one with the green collar. Look at the one with the green collar. He's running around in a circle on the food thing.
He must be funny. He's so cute.